I'm not threatening you. Say one more word, and that's 30 days. 30 days.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Sovereign Citizens Hall of Fame with your boy TP. Today, we will be courtroom hopping into a courtroom in Princeton, New Jersey. Now, this is going to be my first time in this particular courtroom. This video came to my attention, and from what I understand in this video, there is a sovereign citizen in the court that is causing a big ruckus to the point of where it has to get physical. There's a lot, from what I understand, that this sovereign citizen is saying and doing. So I am interested in watching this and giving my commentary on it. So with that being said, guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this proceeding.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Alex, I want you to record everything.
I'm politely asking you to stand up, please.
But I don't
want
to.
I don't care if you want to or not, ma'am. I'm
Me
asking you
neither.
politely to stand up.
But I don't care what you want.
All right,
Leave me. Leave. Alex, please record everything. Record everything. Record everything.
We're recording. It's on body camera.
No. Leave me alone.
Ma'am, please stand up.
Okay, once more.
No.
To this gentleman who is a lawyer for Hillsborough.
Stand her up. Let's go.
Ma'am, stand up. Please.
You have no rights to touch me. Leave me alone.
Place your hands behind your back. Ma'am, place
My
your hands
hand
behind.
hurts me.
Okay, can you place your arm
Leave
behind
me-
your back?
No, leave me alone. You have no right to arrest me. You have no right. No, I'm not this. I'm just visiting here. You got my papers from me. That's a crime. That's a crime. I'm just visiting here. You received.
Oscar 64993.
Ask them to leave me free. Ask them to leave me free. No, you didn't answer my question.
Please.
My basic free woman questions. You haven't answered even one question. You are harassing me here. I came to visit and you harassing me, but asking your people who are working for the same company as you to put and handcuff me and harass me.
130. Yes, Your Honor.
Leave me alone. No, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Go ahead, sir.
No. I want the contract. Show me the contract that I'm giving you the consent.
When you're clear, I can bring the elevator up to you.
No. Who is? No. I'm not agreeing to that. I don't give you the agreement to that. You are representing a private company, all of you.
Let's walk her over. Let's walk her over.
You're representing a private company. Alex, take my document. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, traitors. Leave me alone. I want my papers with me. You're hurting me.
We're not hurting you.
You're hurting me. Leave me alone.
Grab the door, please.
I want my belongings.
We have them with you now.
No, stash.
This is a crime. Crime. That's a crime. You're doing crime. I'm already in contact with special people. You're gonna get papers soon about that. Show me the contract that you have power over me. Hello, do you have jurisdiction over me? You have no jurisdiction over me. Show me that you have personal jurisdiction over me. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I want jurisdiction over me. On the table. I'm a free woman. No, I'm not ma'am. I'm a free woman.
No, you're fine. We'll take her.
I am free
Bring
woman.
the elevator up.
Show me you have jurisdiction over me.
Okay. We're done talking.
Show me you have jurisdiction over me. Show me you have jurisdiction over me.
Ma'am, you're making it worse.
No, I don't
Bring her in here
care.
for now.
Show me you have jurisdiction over me. You're a private company. Why you? Show me that you have jurisdiction over me.
Step inside, please.
Leave me alone. Do you want to rape me here? What do you want from me?
Everything's being recorded, man.
We have a lot of warrant.
Wow, do you want to rape me?
Certainly don't.
Well, I don't want you to touch me.
Well,
I didn't give you
you've been
consent to
resisting
touch
since the second we
me.
told you
You're
you were
touching
placed
my
under arrest.
body.
The judge gave you
You are
three
touching.
opportunities.
No,
to
he's
act
just a
civilized.
lawyer working for a private company.
Maybe three
He has no
opportunities to act
jurisdiction
civilized.
over me. He has no jurisdiction over me, and
Okay.
neither you.
Okay.
Leave me alone. Don't touch me.
Did we search
Don't
her?
touch me.
Ma'am?
Stop touching me.
Did we search her?
Why are you touching me?
Why don't we go ahead and search
Why
her?
are you touching
I have
me?
to take the,
Why are you touching my body?
I can unclip this, so.
This is my handbag.
I
Leave my
understand.
It's
handbag.
not going anywhere.
This is my
It's staying with
private.
your- it's staying with your
No,
belongings,
This is my
ma'am.
private. You have no jurisdiction
It's
over
staying
me
with
to
your
do it.
belongings.
You have no jurisdiction to over me to do it.
Just
Don't touch me.
Just because you say it.
Don't touch my body. Why are you touching me?
Go ahead and search.
Why are you touching me?
Because we need to search you and send to arrest.
Ma'am, do you have
Okay?
any sharp
No. Why?
objects?
Because
Why?
you've been placed under arrest for contempt and resisting arrest.
No.
So,
No. To whom? To whom?
Ma'am,
You have no
do you have
jurisdiction.
anything
Show
sharp?
me paper that you have
Do you have
jurisdiction
anything
over
sharp
me.
on you? Anything
Show
sharp,
me that
prodding?
you have jurisdiction over me.
Okay.
Show me that you have personal jurisdiction over me. You have no rights to do it. Don't touch me.
don't kick at her.
Don't kick.
I don't want her to touch me.
It doesn't matter.
She has no rights over
Yeah,
me.
absolutely
Leave me
does.
alone. Leave me alone. Take your hands from me.
Good. Search the bag.
Take your hands from me. Wow. You know that you work for company. He works for company and so-called Christopher, who calls himself a prosecutor. You work all of you for the same company. How one person, one company can judge another person who belongs to the same company? Think about that. He is not a judge. He is employee of Hillsborough. They gave him a judge title, but he is just a lawyer and works for the same company like you. Why he is giving orders to somebody who works for the same company? That's very unlawful. How you can do it? Leave my wallet. Leave my wallet. I have money in my wallet.
No one's taking your money.
No, I don't know. You're a
Well,
private
you know, because
company,
we're wearing body cameras, so everything's recorded.
You're taking all my rights as a woman, as a human, free woman. You're taking all my rights from me. Is everything being recorded? You're taking all my free woman with the existing soul, all my rights from me. A private company, Hillsborough company, registered on Dun and Bar Street. And
Stop.
bosses wanted me to be arrested. No, I can do what I want. I am a free woman.
There's consequences to your actions.
I am free woman. Really?
You had three.
640 Romeo 57.
Really?
You had three
You have-
chances.
Show me the jurisdiction over me. You don't have
You said you're
jurisdiction
bringing
over
that
me.
elevator up.
You don't have personal jurisdiction over free woman. I just came to visit here. I just came to visit here. Leave me alone. There are consequences to that too. Leave me alone. Everything has consequences. And you're working against free people. You're working against with the people. Stop
Yeah.
touching my hands. Stop touching my hands.
I'm not
You
touching
know,
your hands.
he wasn't answering my questions. He wasn't proving anything that he has jurisdiction over me. He didn't show me any contract, nothing. This is against my rights. As a free woman, against my rights. You know that. And you're doing everything against my rights too. Stop touching me. Did I allow you to touch me? Can you show me the contract stating that I'm allowing you, called police officer, to touch me?
You'll have all that paperwork when this is over.
You'll
have all that paperwork.
You think that I have no rights? You think I have no rights? You think I have no rights because I'm free woman? You think I have no rights as corporation have rights over me? Okay. Stop touching my hands.
No one's touching your hands.
You are touching my
I'm
hands.
not. I'm touching your bicep area.
No, this is my hand. This is my hand.
No one's touching your hands.
Talking about
So you're touching my arm.
Okay.
Stop touching my arm. I don't want anybody who I don't know to touch my body.
Okay.
My body belongs to me, not to you. The same to you. My body belongs to me. Stop touching me. Stop
Ma'am.
touching me.
Stop.
Why? Just because a lawyer from Hillsborough told you to touch me? He has no personal jurisdiction over me. And you know that. He's just a lawyer. Same as the prosecutor working for the same company. Both of them work for the same company. And it's you as well, working for Hillsborough company. So Hillsborough
This
people...
is Princeton, just so you're aware. Okay.
I'm sorry,
It's okay.
Princeton.
It's all right.
Thank you.
No
You're
problem.
right. You're right. But he's from Hillsborough.
Okay.
He's... No, that's
Girl, for one. Why don't you, come here, take control over it, we're gonna get her in the elevator.
Here's my stuff.
We will get your
No,
stuff.
I want everything to be with me.
Wait, what are you doing right now?
Princeton people.
Yeah, you just said we would grab your stuff.
Relax, come on, let's go.
Is there room or
You
not?
are doing something which
Want
is
me to walk around?
against my rights. My
Want me to walk around or
free
is it
rights.
good?
Stop touching me.
Relax.
If I want.
He's good.
Oh, you guys are all locked up? Just-
Where is my handbag?
It's
Yeah.
right here. Everything's being audio visually
Good.
recorded.
Yeah, we're
okay?
good.
Relax.
You have no rights. Princeton people, correct.
Contempt and resistance.
Princeton people. I'm not resisting anything. I just came to visit here. By invitation. By invitation. I just came to visit the building.
Paperwork?
More paperwork.
Judge?
No, I'll have Ann grab it. It's not.
Stop touching me. Why a lawyer of Hillsborough and police of Hillsborough is attempting to do wrong things against me? Why they touching my body? Why?
Nobody's doing
why
any
are
of
they?
that.
Why are they
No.
refusing my rights to be
Nobody's
free?
doing any of that.
Yes, you are.
You should have thought about that.
You are forcing me. You handcuffed me.
You're under arrest.
No, I'm
okay?
not.
You're
Because
under
of
arrest.
what? Show me the contract that I allow you to do it.
I don't know where you get that terminology.
Show me the contract that I allow you to do it.
Where's that terminology from?
Oh, corporation. Corporation works under a law, common law, a law of contracts. Corporation works under
Community policing for one monument drive.
Stop touching me. I don't want those people to touch me, for the record. I didn't allow them, I didn't give them the contract to have any rights over me and touch my body. They put something on my hands, they touching my body, and I didn't allow them to do it. They're corporation and they have no real contract with me allowing them to do whatever they do to me right now.
Judge, can I just be heard for 1 minute? Rule 110.1, summary contempt in the presence of the court. A judge conducting a judicial proceeding may adjudicate contempt summarily without an order to show cause if the conduct has obstructed or if continued would obstruct the proceeding. The conduct occurred in the actual presence of the judge, was actually seen or heard by the judge. The character of the conduct or its continuation after appropriate warning unmistakably demonstrates its willfulness. Immediate adjudication is necessary to permit the proceeding to continue in an orderly and proper manner, and the judge has afforded the alleged contender an immediate opportunity to respond, all of which were filled here.
Can I see
So the court has acted completely appropriately under Rule 110.1 with regard to how it proceeded. Now, I respect the court for bringing this defendant back up to the court again in order to see if we can advance this proceeding or however else the court's going to address it today. But this was a completely appropriate summary contempt proceeding.
Okay, can I ask a question?
Yes.
Yes. Can I know what kind of law are you reading right now?
Rule 110.1.
No, what kind of law?
Rule 110.1.
Can
Ma'am,
I see? It's a black law?
It's Rule
It's a black
110.1.
law, it's for dead people.
Ma'am, I'm not going to answer your questions. You're again disturbing. I don't have to.
Yes.
You have no right to ask me a question.
I
You
am a
have,
free
you
woman.
have no right to ask
I am
me a
free
question.
woman
Judge,
possessing
my
the
questions
law.
will only be through the court, Your Honor. I will
Okay.
not address or
This is-
engage this defendant directly.
With all the respect to you, you're not a judge, you an employee of Hillsborough Township Corporation.
We're not in Hillsborough, we're in
With
Princeton.
the
You don't even know what
title
town you're
judge. We
in.
know
Stop.
that, right? And
You
the
know-
same, you are working
For who?
for Princeton.
Okay, he
I'm
works
sorry,
for Hillsborough, I work for
I'm
Princeton,
saying
okay.
Hillsborough. Princeton.
All right.
Princeton. You working for Princeton as well. You being paid for every session here. So you work for Princeton Corporation, which is registered on Broad Street. You work for Princeton Corporation, which is registered on Broad Street. And you, gentlemen, who are touching my body and you depriving me of my free woman rights working for the same corporation. So what is going on here?
Okay, and I'm going to schedule you for a contempt hearing on the 21st of May at 2 p.m. I would advise you to...
I didn't contempt, and I'm by visit here. I sent you the notification. You were notified. You were notified about that too. Okay, if I want to, I'm a free woman.
From the building.
I am a free woman.
You are...
I am a free woman. And I'm here by visit, and you deprive me of my free woman rights.
Corporal Dawson, is she facing
That's
additional charges, or
against
do you want to
the-
release her today?
Before I, that's against the common
I gotta
law.
talk to the judge, I don't know what.
No, she's going to be released from this hearing. We could charge her with resisting or with obstruction,
Okay,
but
Who
we
are
can
you
also
charging?
exercise our discretion, Corporal
are you
Dawson. It's
charging?
going to be up to you if you want, how you want to handle
Okay,
that.
Christopher.
The judge is asking you to release her from the building today. I think that's the most appropriate course of conduct here.
Okay, who are you charging here? Joanna Nikodon, capitalized letter. I'm not the person. I'm really
Wow, guys, we've come to the end of a wild proceeding. We didn't even get a chance to see what she was originally brought into court for. All we see is Miss Joanna from the body cam footage of the officers that were called in. You know, we just get the perspective from right then. I wish I would have been able to see what she was actually brought into court for, especially being that it seems like she's visiting from somewhere else. But we see this thing gets heated pretty quickly. She obviously didn't want them touching her. She definitely had her sovereign citizen head on. We kept hearing her talking about jurisdiction and that they don't have a contract or that she doesn't have a contract with them. She says the judge is nothing but a lawyer. She even tells the officer that he doesn't have a contract to touch her. And she said a lot of other wild and crazy things when they brought her to the back that I rather not repeat. But as we can see, they bring her back out, and you would think, being that she almost went to jail, that she would kind of humble herself and just relax. I don't know what her case is, don't know what she was charged with, don't know why she got so upset to the point of where she was held in contempt, but it sounded like she just kept interrupting the court, according to the prosecutor. But we see when she's brought back out, we can kind of confirm that, yeah, she must have been acting up. Why she was in court, who knows? But we see in the end, she's pretty much charged with obstruction, the contempt, the resisting, and hopefully this thing works out for her. Not really familiar with this courtroom, like I said, but if I do find a follow-up video on it, I am interested in seeing what happened with Miss Joanna, and also I would like to know where she was from. But wherever she's from, they definitely, have their sovereign citizen head on there as well. But with that being said, guys, this is Sovereign Citizens Hall of Fame. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate all the subscribing, the likes, the shares, all of the commentary that I get inside of the comment section. I appreciate that as well. And with that being said, guys, this is Sovereign Citizens Court. And for now, Sovereign Citizens Court is adjourned. See you guys in the next proceeding. God bless.